So today I wanted to get on here to share with you guys some exciting news in regards to Siri and major advancements coming this year, finally, with iOS 27. Now, as you know, Apple has made it official. WWDC, the Worldwide Developers Conference 2026, will be held from June 8th through the 12th. Now, Apple mentions that on Monday, June 8th, their special event and keynote State of the Union address will be held to show off their latest advancements throughout the entire ecosystem and platforms that power Apple devices. Now, this year, there's major advancements coming in regards to AI. Apple has mentioned there's a lot of AI stuff coming this year. There's a lot of excitement, major breakthroughs that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, we've already heard that Apple is planning to open up Siri to run any AI service via the App Store apps as part of iOS 27. Dropping ChatGPT as the exclusive outside partner for Apple Intelligence and Siri. Apple will let any AI platforms, big apps including Google Gemini, Claude, Alexa, Meta, ChatGPT, to be queried or integrated directly within the Siri experience, as long as these platforms enable the extension or services inside of their iOS, macOS, or iPadOS applications. Apple will have a dedicated section inside of the App Store just for these types of applications in services to be integrated within Siri. Now, it's still unclear if there will be an approval process, which I think there will be, but this is exciting news. Now, if you follow me here on the channel, you know that Apple is currently testing iOS 26.5, their next major update set to be coming to the iPhone. However, with this latest update, we still do not have the new Siri or any new Apple Intelligence capabilities. We still have ChatGPT as the primary and only extension available within Apple Intelligence, but that could all soon be changing here. According to this latest report, on Monday, June 8th at WWDC, Apple will be releasing iOS 27 Developer Beta 1, perhaps allowing users to, for the first time ever, use any third-party AI service integrated directly within the Siri experience on iPhone. Now, I put together a concept here to show you visuals of what this could look like. So you go into the settings for Apple Intelligence. You choose your Apple Intelligence extension. So you download these apps and you can choose from any of these services. Again, a lot of the major players here, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and you'll be able to use these services directly integrated into Apple Intelligence, similar to ChatGPT as we have it right now with the current state of iOS 26.5. And these would be major advancements because I know there's plenty of users out there, or perhaps most users, really want the ability to integrate any extension. Rather, it's ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or any third-party AI directly through the Siri experience in UI on iPhone in iOS 27 could soon perhaps make this available for users. Again, the first beta, June 8th at WWDC. I'm excited. Let me know what you think about this news in those comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.